Hey everyone, my name is Rosalind Calloway. First, want to apologize for using the wrong video recording, but the other one wouldn't download on my computer, so I just had to use this one. Anyways, my business is called Resting Beach Face. I sell swimwear and I sell rings. This right here is my website. Right when you click on my link, this is what it'll take you to. This is my homepage. Right here is my logo. And then if you scroll down, it just shows our top sellers in each category. And then up here, if you go to shop, it shows you women's, men's, rings. And you can check out each of those categories. So we sell a pretty good variety of different kinds of swimsuits. Have style updates. Myself, that's one of the women. The link ratio it's coming marketing because I try to reach relate follow that are more link just go to the private